Hi, Vivek. Good evening. How are you?
Fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So, Vivek, can you quickly introduce yourself and tell me about your background as a software developer?
Okay, I think voice is clear now.
Yeah, if you can come closer to the mic, that would be great. And or maybe speak
Now
louder.
it's now it's good.
Yes, it's perfect, perfect.
Okay. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce to myself. As per my name is Vivek Kumar. I recently graduated with a BTech degree in computer science from the Crest University, Sonipat, Haryana, where I achieved academic performance with a 71 overall score. And during my academic journey, I honed my skill in various areas of computer science, like including web development, JavaScript programming, and React.js. I have also gained hands-on experience in front-end development, utilized technologies such as HTML, CSS, and SCSS to create user-friendly interface. I have completed several personal projects that mentioned in my resume. In this scenario, I am told you one of my notable project is BGBG. It is a e-commerce site that enables shopping cart management and secure online transaction. In this project, I use React.js for the front end and Firebase as an integration and authentication, and also use Firebase as a database. So all about it's me and my project.
Okay, okay, great. So, Vivek, can you share your screen quickly and show me the project that the project that told me
Okay, so
about?
sure. So
Yeah, just give me a walkthrough of how it works. What all features have you added?
okay, I think okay. I think screen is visible.
Hello. Yeah, Vivek. Your screen is visible. Your voice is coming a bit low. You're saying something. Okay, no problem. Yeah, you can give me a walkthrough for this project. Show me all the features that you have added, right?
Okay,
And
okay, okay.
yeah.
Okay, so first when you click on my hosted link on mention
Mhm.
my resume, so
Mhm.
you uh, come here and you can also see all the item. We can
Mhm.
also add item. You can filter all the item according to price. Like I see only 6901 price. Then all the item below this see on my screen. You can also filter your item according to this button, like men's clothing. If you
Mhm.
want only see your men's clothing, you can click on. You also click on. So all the functionality I think work perfectly. And there was one more option. You can also use it using search any product, yeah, any item in my list. Like I search t-shirt. So generally I'll type t-shirt. So all the related words will be so. All the related item will be so in my UO. So first point I think noted it. And when you want to add this product in my cart, so just click on this add to cart button. I
Mhm.
think screen is visible.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so after that you landing a sign in page. So if you sign up your mail ID and all the information, then you can go to sign in your mail ID and your password. Click on this sign in button. If you not sign up, so first time when you use first time, so you can click on sign up button here. Put all the information and click on sign up button, so you can sign up. After that you can sign in. So I already sign in. So I write my mail ID and password. Click on this sign in button, so you can sign in this website. After that, you can see there was two more options: my order and cart. So
Okay.
if you are signing, then you can add any item in your cart. So I am signing, so you can also show here a logout button. So you means you are signing this page. So I
Mhm.
click on this in my cart. So add to cart. There was a top-up message. This item will be added to your cart. I also add some more item in my cart. So I think two is more. Now I am go to cart option. So you can see
Mhm.
all the item which are added in this cart box. So you can see here more option like a remove from cart. If you click on this, so this item will be directly removed from your cart. You can also increase your item quantity, decrease your item quantity, and there was the total price from your uh, item. You can purchase your item, so click on this purchase. So these are the order, that means order
Mhm.
placed on this date and so on. There was one more feature I think we can discuss. So first of all, we log out here. So there was a forget password. So if you have no idea what is your password, so you can forget your password using your mail ID. So I write my mail ID and click this send reset email. So one message, so link sent it on your mail. So you got a mail and where you forget your password and reset. After that you can also sign in my this project. So all about this bgbg application.
Okay, okay, great, Vivek. This looks very good. This is like a very good project that you've created, right? So 10 marks for that. So I have few questions on this. So
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Go back to that page again. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Vivek. Go back to that application again. Yes. Can you click on sign in here?
Yeah.
So you showed me this forgot password thing, right? So
Yeah.
once the mail is sent to the email ID, then what happens? Like, let's say, click on this forgot password.
Yeah.
Then enter some ID that you have the credentials of, and then show me what email, like what email do you get? Can you show me that?
Okay. So first of all, we sign up those mail ID which are logged in my system. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, now I go to forget password and here I type my mail ID and click this send reset email. Okay,
Okay.
so link send on your mail. Now I open my mail. Okay, after that we give a link. Okay, I think the
Yeah.
screen is visible.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, after that we click on this button. We got this page, reset your password. So I reset my password here and after that click on this save button. So my password will be changed. Now we can go to my bgbg application and sign in and see all the features. We use all the features
Okay.
about the bgbg. I think
Okay.
now
Great.
it's clear.
Yes. Yes. It is. Cool. Okay, so go back to the application again. Let's test
Okay.
few things here. Yeah,
Okay.
go back to the home page.
Home page.
Yeah, home page. Okay, and let's set this filter price filter to the minimum. What is the minimum value we have set here? One only. Okay, okay, and what's the maximum?
I think 1 lakh. No, 999.
Okay, something like that. Okay, great. Let's click on electronics.
Electronics. Okay, only electronics product will be shown.
Great, great. Okay. Move the price filter to left side. Okay. Okay, great. It works fine. Cool. So your filters are working fine. Great. Can you sign in now?
Okay. Same mail ID.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Any email ID you want, you can
Okay.
open. Okay, now if you let's say add the first product in the cart,
Okay.
okay, and add it again. Click that
Two
add to
times.
cart again. Yeah. Okay. Then what happens in the cart? Like is
Two
it free?
quantity will be added in my cart list. You can see here.
Okay, quantity gets updated, right?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, great, great.
And according to quantity, my total price also will be updated.
Mhm. Okay, great. Yeah. Go back to homepage again. Let's
Okay.
add few more projects.
Okay.
Okay, let's add these two products also. The second and the third one.
Once.
One. That
Okay.
should be fine. Okay, go
Added.
back to cart. Okay, and what happens if, let's say, we remove the first one?
Okay.
Okay, so now if you see, the total price is not correct, right?
Okay. Okay. It is noted.
No issue, it's just a small change you need to fix, right? Rest everything works fine, I think.
Okay. I will be
So,
updated.
yeah. So just look into this. It's a small bug. There's no problem. So fix this up, and yeah, rest I think looks fine. Like, you had very good project you have created. Go back to this my order page. Okay, total amount is coming. Title, price, quantity. Okay, order on date is also coming. Okay. Okay, so this date you are picking from the system only, right?
No, sir.
Then
It's I think fixed.
no. The order on then the date is coming, right? So this is showing me the today's date.
No,
That
sir. No.
is
Ye, these dates.
yeah. This date
Yeah,
is
yeah,
showing
yeah,
the
yeah,
date,
yeah.
right?
It's my system date.
It's your system date, okay? Right? Okay. Price is coming fine. Okay. Cart. Okay, so Vivek, what you can do is, so up till now you have done very good, fantastic work, right? So what I would suggest you to add one more feature into this, that is, you can search for some payment integration thing, and
So
you can
I
add that part in there.
yes, yes. I already try it.
Uh, are you using Stripe or make something else?
Already, I think I try to give this
Stripe only,
SIP.
no?
Already I use it, but it's not working in my case. That's I
Okay, no
leave it.
issues. Just check like how what error you are facing. Uh, right, and you can ask from your mentor, like, take help
Okay,
from them,
okay, sir.
right?
I
Because
will do.
once you add this part, no, it will become a very good like entire end-to-end project you'll be able to complete, right? So
Okay, sir.
rest I think looks fine. Okay, can you go back to the cart once? What happens if we, let's say, refresh the page?
So
It
all
will
the item will
say
be. It's a stored in my local storage. So when I refresh my page, all the item will be go.
displayed only, right? Okay,
Yeah.
great.
I don't use any database as a much more. Just I
So
use
like front
some
end is on React and back end is like you have used this one
Firebase,
Firebase. Okay.
and all the
Okay.
items are coming from Firebase. I
Hmm.
added all the items, their title, amount, and description, all the things added in my
Okay.
Firebase, and then catch that.
Hmm. Okay. Great. Yeah. So Vivek, what I would suggest, like one two things, and that one is that fix that payment wala thing, the
Okay, sir.
total price thing, right? And try to integrate this Stripe payment integration to that, right?
Okay, sir.
Once you do that, it will become a very good project, right? Then once you are done with all these things, then you should move on with the like actual backend thing. So from that I mean that instead of using this thing Firebase directly, try to build the backend part on Node.js, right? So
Okay, sir.
first complete this integration part of Stripe and everything, and then once that is done, then only move on to the node part, right? So what you will do, like what will happen is that this entire project will be scalable. Then you will be able to scale, add more projects, and do certain more things which you will not be able to maybe do with Firebase, right? Because I think there is certain limitation to Firebase storage, so that you will not have in
Actually,
like in,
sir.
in Node and everything.
After front end, I start React. So that's why I'm.
No
basic
issues.
idea
For
about it.
now it is good. For now it is perfect. Like there's no issue in that. Just I'm giving a suggestion so that you'll have that
Okay, I will
practice
try
of
to my
Node
best.
and Express. Yeah. So once you learn Node and Express Node, then only move on to this. So just build the
Okay.
backend part, and you already have the front end ready. You just can integrate both of them, the backend in Node and Express, and the front end in React, and it will be a
Yes.
great project for you. Right now, also it is like in completely perfect state. This is very good, right? So yeah, all right. So yeah, that's all about this one. I think. I
Yes,
think
sir.
rest you have already built. So nothing
And
else I can. Yeah, and one more thing. In this resume note, you have added the name as hosting link. It should not be hosting link. It should be hosted link.
first,
Hosted.
okay,
So update the spelling. It should be
okay, sir.
hosted link. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we can go on with the next one then. Next project.
It's a meal app. So these were the meal apps. If you want to search any meals, I think the screen is visible.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you want to search any meals in API, then you can just click here and type your meals like F10 and click on this search button. So related to apples, all the meals will be display on my on my UI. First of all, these were the images, these were the names of the item and what to use in this item. So all the information about this. You can also click on read more and you see all the information about these meals. And after that, once you click on read more again, so all the information will be highlighted. And you can also add your meals in your favorites. So click on this add, so these meals will be added in your favorite. Top up message will be so click on this OK button. This meal will be added in my favorites. So I add more some meals like I add to favorite. So this meal will also added in my favorite. Also I want to add, so this will be also added in my favorite. Now we click on this favorite meal. So when click I am this favorite meal, all the favorite meals will be show here with proper title and description. You, if you want to delete remove from favorite your meal, so just click on remove from favorite. So your meal will be removed from favorites. Click on this OK button. This meal will be deleted, removed from your favorites. So I think this was the product which are using normal HTML, CSS, and Vanilla JS using API. All the data will be come from API.
Okay. 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 And what is the reset thing? Reset, is it a button
It's
or something?
a button, so all the things will be resetted
Okay.
directly.
Okay. Great. So when we click to reset, everything gets resetted. Okay. Great.
Resetted.
Great. Great. Uh, all right. And here also you have, I think, implemented the local storage thing that whenever we refresh, it should stay on the page.
Yes, sir.
Is it done already, or can you show me that?
Sorry, sir. Can you?
Can you show me that? Add something to your favorite list and then refresh the page. Yeah. And now if we refresh the page, then what happens?
At that time, I have no any idea about backend, so that's why I am use local storage for this.
Can you go on the favorite meals once? Click on this.
Your
Uh,
you have no favorite meals
so you
right
have
now.
not saved it in the local storage, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
No any
So to
backend
that
use.
part, it's not the backend thing, no, it's in the browser only.
Yeah, yeah,
Local storage is in the browser only, right?
yeah.
So to that part, integrate that thing. So whenever you research the page, it should stay like at least the favorite meal section should stay on your screen, right? It should not vanish
Okay, sir.
from here. It should display.
Using local storage, I think.
Yes, you can save the data in your local storage, and then whenever
Okay.
you're displaying it, you can check like if something is there in your local storage, and then accordingly display that on your screen,
Okay, sir.
right? Okay. So yeah, rest I think looks fine. Nothing else needs to be added or something. Okay, we can move on to the next one. Let's see the ping pong game.
So when you are coming on my this ping pong game, uh, your score will be so as a zero. Now we start. To start, click on your keyboard enter. After clicking, A is the movement of the pillar towards right and T is the movements of pillar toward left. So I play this game. Click as enter. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. So moving your this thing paddle using the arrow keys, right? Left
Yes,
and
sir.
right arrow keys. Okay. So Vivek, what you can do here is in the background it is showing as a white screen, right?
Yes, sir.
So when we have not started the game, so when the user comes and logins to this game
First time.
and check, yeah, at the first time. So what you can do is you can just show a message and the
Welcome.
background, yeah, maybe a welcome message or maybe just a pop-up saying that okay, so these are the rules of the game, so you need to hit enter to start the game, and then you can move your paddle using left and right arrow key, and then once the user clicks on start game or something like that, just give a button on that pop-up, and then once the user clicks on that start button, then only he or she should be able to start the game by pressing enter or something, right?
Okay, sir.
So you can add that, because right now if you see if a user do not know how to start this, then you should give the user the instructions on how to play this game, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
else the user will be confused that okay, how do I start this game? That will become a confusion for the user.
Yes,
So give the instructions, all the instructions, and yeah, you can add a pop-up. Pop-up will be great because that will also add a feature that already you know how to create a pop-up,
yes, sir.
and yeah, it will be a good practice for you also for JavaScripting. So yeah, work on that part, and rest thing I think looks fine. Also, yeah, acha, click on the start. Acha, start this game. Start this game on the cursor. Here, if you see, right, in the alert box, it is showing as object
Object
HTML thing,
statement.
right? So it should not be like this. It should show like paddle one or paddle two, something like that, since you're giving that name, right?
Yes, sir.
So fix this part. Check like why is it coming like this. I think you might have used inner HTML instead of inner text, and that is why it is given.
Yes.
Check that part. What will happen? Okay. All right. So this is the third one. Okay. Let's move on to the last.
Last one is the to-do application, to-do list. So this was the interface. Basically, to-do list is a application where you can add your task, and after that you can edit and delete and also mark as a complete. So this was the API where I cache the data. Some days only I think only 5 data will become at that time. So if you want to add your task, just click on this input button and add your task. Add sorry, go to the after that, you click on this add button, so your task will be added. Task added successfully. This message will be show, and there was more option. You can also mark as your task, mark as a complete. So you click on this button, so this task will be marked, and you can also see which task will be completed. Go come. come and strike true on this task. And you can also use a filter button. So just I zoom out. So you can also filter your tasks like all task will be so. So click on this all the tasks will be so. Also you can click on uncompleted. So all the uncompleted tasks will be so here,
Mhm.
and come as a completed. So those tasks which completed at that time, only those tasks will be so. And here you can also see complete two tasks, and you have total six tasks, sorry,
Mhm.
five tasks.
Mhm.
And I click on this filter and go to all the tasks. And if you want to complete all the tasks in one click, so you can do click on this complete all tasks. And if you want if you want to delete all the completed tasks in your to-do list, just click on this delete completed tasks, so your all the tasks will be deleted. Now we can refresh. So after refreshing, all those five tasks will become my API. So
Mhm.
just if you want to modify your task, just click on this wait a second, this edit button. So you can
Mhm.
also edit your task like go to school. So update your task. You can also update your task using this way. And if you want to delete any task, so you can also delete one by one. So just click on this delete button. So task deleted successfully message will be show. So I think this application also help you to manage your task in daily life. That's all about this to-do list. And I use React.js as a front end, and this was the API where I fetched the data from for this application. So that's
Okay. Mhm. Okay. So Vivek, yeah, functionality is good. Everything
and
works
I
fine.
think one thing who will be updated. So I will do when I add something like a go to lunch and click on this add button. So after that you can't edit this task. Go to and click on this update button. This task not updated in my list. So this was the error. I think will be updated.
Okay. Okay. So the new tasks that you add, these are not getting updated.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So work on this. Fix this part, Vivek. Not a problem. So whatever logic you have added in the upper one, the default task, so that is the same. I think that should work fine. I think you will need to pass that same function, like call that same function and pass the parameters accordingly. It should
Yes.
work
Yes.
fine. But yeah, just check what is happening. Why is it not getting updated? And fix this, because this is one thing that you have to do. And second thing is, if you check this second button, the delete task. So make it as delete completed task, something like that.
Where
Because the
this
name
one?
that you have added, yeah. So you have added short form of complete, right? Comp. So it is not coming as meaningful, because somebody can be confused that what is this comp. So make
Okay.
it as
Okay.
delete completed task.
Okay.
Add the complete word there also. Okay. And
Okay.
in the filter section, you have added as incomplete. So there's nothing something as incomplete. There's no word such as incomplete. It should be incompleted.
Okay.
Okay.
It's
So
okay.
fix this grammar issues. Yeah, I think rest is fine. Everything is working perfectly. Okay. Yeah. So Vivek, just work on this edit functionality, and you should be good with this. Okay. Uh, and let's go back to your resume once. Yeah, here, if you can, like, you should, what you should do is you should update the template of this resume, because it is coming so much, like, so much thing is coming, and it is looking so clumsy kind of thing, right?
This
So
this one.
yeah, update the template. I will share your. Acha, one more thing. Your email ID should contain your name. So if you can update this email ID, you should do that, or else you can create a new email ID and add that. So create an email ID with your name and not with some random name, because whenever you are submitting or communicating with some interviewer or somebody, so they'll be looking for your email address and they might get confused. You might end up losing some opportunity due to this. Okay, so just create a new email address with your name and yeah, use that. Yeah, update the template, update the email ID, email address, and third thing, fix the issues that you have in your projects. So there
Okay.
are few minor bugs that you have, so fix them, and yeah, you should be good.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, okay, Vivek. Yeah,
Thank
thank you
you
for
so much.
joining. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.